everyone, this is Tracy. Welcome back to Mini Kit Monday for August 2020. And this month we are doing this beautiful inspiration. It is Becky's turn to be the hostess, and she gets to choose the inspiration, and her little granddaughter is turning 2 this month. So she came up with this for inspiration, and I went with the watermelon. I don't have a lot of, I know I have pineapple. A lot of us probably do have pineapple and strawberry and lots of lemons. So there should be plenty of papers out there to choose from, but whatever your inspiration is from this, it could be the word to, it could be just birthday, it could be the colors. It could be the colors. So you just get your inspiration for whatever you think speaks to you. So I went with the fruit. And as it turns out, I think I only have this one piece of pattern paper. And of course, with all the watermelon, it has some gold foiling on it. And it's from Pink Paisley Turn the Page from Paige Evans. And it's from a paper pad. I can tell because it has the hole right there, and it's only one-sided. So I decided just to kind of dig into my Paige Evans papers because I haven't in a while. I've been using some of my other just stash, and I do have some collections that I keep separate. And I want to just go ahead and try to use up as much as I can. I'm trying not to buy anything, which is kind of funny because normally I see all those Tuesday morning videos. I'm like, oh, I've got to run down there and see what mine has. And I just haven't had the desire. A lot of it has to do with COVID. I'm trying not to shop, at least in person. I am trying to be careful. And so I don't get out as much, which is fine because I have plenty to do here at the house. So anyway, I love this blue background. I love the watermelon. I will probably just use like a 4 inches or something of it. But and for the month of August, I believe there are 5 Mondays. Let me make sure by the time you are watching this, you probably have already figured it out. Yes, there are 5 Mondays. So we have this week we'll be unveiling our kit, and then 4 more Mondays to present pages. So I'm making 4 pages this month. And you see the shadow here? I took the umbrellas off of my lights just to see if that was going to make a difference with my colors. You know how I tell you that how my colors are off on my computer. And so I'm going to see if maybe it's the umbrella, but then the drawback is all the shadows. Oh well, we'll get over it, right? So from that same paper pad, I did pull out some of the 3x4 cards and these border strips here, and here's some cut aparts. Now I'm a big tag fan. I will probably cut these out. I would never use this as a full page. I would definitely be cutting those out. And then here is a beautiful, here, let me see, let it focus. This is a beautiful, oh my goodness. Okay, my camera just can't focus on that. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's very beautiful the way that it goes from this deep mauve, and it kind of is a pinky, orangey pink, and then into a lighter pink up here. And then here is a beautiful stripe. Love this. And then of course this has even more colors than the stripe did. It has the brighter yellow. It even has a black. In the little bit of green that is not in that stripe. Be interesting to see what I come up with that. And then this is absolutely beautiful. This has this is it mauve? That's the background with a light pink and kind of a peachy color accents, and it does have some gold foiling on it. Oh my goodness, and I absolutely love this. I do. This is probably my favorite paper in the paper pad, so I had to pull that out. And then I needed something with some very small icon on it. The sailboats are probably going to be irrelevant because I haven't been to the water, and I can't even tell you. I'm not an ocean person, not a lake or beach person, or even a pool person. So the boats won't matter. The color of the green will. Um, I know that this color does not. Let me just say this. I'm just gonna say it. Just is for my own sanity. This is the paper that I definitely need to tweak on my computer because it does not do it justice. It has more green and it shows blue presently on my computer. Here is a light pink with kind of a orangey peach color circles. They are big and they go to small. Love that. Okay, now I do like to have a little bit of a background. I don't necessarily want solid cardstock. So here is some what am I trying to say? Ledger paper. This is, I think it's the same thing. So those probably came from the same collection. And then this I had in my stash. I want to say that, I could be wrong, but I think that is, oh gosh, what am I trying to say? Basic gray. Trying to say basic gray. So as I was digging through those papers, I also had a few things in there, and I think this was part of it. Oh, I'm so sorry. So it's going to show that this, so I could use it for this side or I could use it for the polka dot, and that's kind of blinding. And then here's a little piece of this mustard yellow, which I absolutely love this color. I just do. And then on the opposite side is the watermelon, but I already have watermelon paper, but I don't have that. So these are stickers. This is, it came in a pad, a whole bunch of stickers. I don't know, 4 pages, I think. And this is the only one I have left. And then this I got from Click Kit. And I know it was, they had given, so March of 2018 is when this collection came out. And Gia, she had designed pages like this. I don't know if she still does this because I don't belong to Click Kits anymore. But I love this, where you can cut these out and add it, and it's different from what is already in the collection. The colors are different. And as for embellishments, I just continued on with the Pick Me Up. These are puffy stickers. And then here's some rub-ons in here that I've used a few of them. Not a big fan of rub-ons, but I do have quite a few left. And then these puffy stickers, of course, I've been loving on those. There's a little watermelon. This is the only thing that I pulled, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, girl, what are you doing? Yeah, these are, what are they called? Enamel shapes. And I got it at Tuesday morning. And as you can tell, I've already used some of them. But I'm going to see if I can use some of these. Enamel dots and stuff like that are not my favorite. But I'll see what I can do to get that used up. And as for embellishments, this is a brand new pack, I believe. I haven't even opened it, of the Pick Me Up. And it doesn't even have a Tuesday morning. I already had one. I want to say I probably got one from a kit that I had, as well as from Click Kits. And so for whatever reason, I haven't even opened this, which is good. But I'm going to try to use what's in here. This has a mishmash of different things that you know, I try to keep it together, and then I try not to use this if I can. And then for I wanted to get some wood veneer, and the colors aren't like perfect, but I might be able to use like the stars or something from Turn the Page. The colors are definitely different, but I'm gonna try to use any of those. And as for the alpha, let's see, let me get that watermelon paper back out. And so I pulled out this navy and the American Craft, Head in the Clouds. I don't buy much Chamel, but I definitely like her thicker. So I've already used some of this one, so I pulled out a fresh one. I like the tall thin. I do like that. I know this is from Crepe Paper. I don't know, Carousel Charming. So, and I figured that would go, so that pink would go. And then there is this peachy pink. I don't have a lot left. I mean, as you can tell, there are quite a few, but I don't know how many words I can make from this. But these are the alpha that I pulled out. And I reserve the right to pull anything else out that I might need, but for the most part, this is going to be my collection for August to make 4 pages. My problem in the past is somehow I have the best of intentions of posting this on the Facebook group, but I lose the footage or the photo when I do it on my computer, so I need to do it with my phone. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me today, and make sure you follow the other ladies. I'm going to leave links to their channels down below. It's Becky, Daisy, Dolly, Shannon, and Kathy. So want to make sure that you get all the inspiration that you want. There are prizes every month. So I know every now and again there's a flash, I don't know what she calls it, where there's a fun thing to do, and there's usually some sort of prize or gift or something. So there's a lot of inspiration, a lot of encouragement that goes on over at the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group. And anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.